This is Will, my old friend from school, that I didn't go to school with because we went to different schools. Say hello to YouTube, Will.
Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Is that how it works?
So Will's just brought us to this awesome Sudanese restaurant, and yeah, the food's really good. And Will was asking us about our routine for filming, like how we do it. Do we film during the day, like every day, a bit here, a bit there? I said that we're really disciplined and that we wake up some mornings and we're like, okay, we're going to vlog for this day or next 2 days. I said, today isn't a vlog day. And Will was like, oh, of course it's not. He was sad not to be on the vlog. So, Will, you got what you wanted.
I'm on the vlog.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, my dreams are coming true. Number one Lindy Hop fan.
Welcome to Lindy Hop. We are Sam and Gabi, and with our puppy Basie, we are traveling around Europe in our self-converted camper van. So far, we have traveled up to the Arctic Circle, explored the beautiful coast of Norway, and now we are making our way down to the south of Europe. Thank you for following our journey so far. We upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and follow us on Instagram for regular updates on our adventure.
Well, no, I just got excited that they were doing it, and then I was really like hoping that they would continue, because it's not, you know, it's not something that many of my friends do. So I was like, and I love YouTube, so I was like, yeah, I was really excited.
See you later, love. Bye-bye, beastie. Bye.
Bye, lovey.
Okay, so, ooh, it's quite sunny actually. I'm heading into Berlin. I've left Gabi in the van because originally our plan was to try and put Basie in one of our rucksacks, take a scooter into the centre of Berlin and go and do some sightseeing. But the LPG ran out in the van. We went and filled that up. We've come back to our spot that we're staying at, that we always stay at when we come to Berlin. Gabi actually wants to stay in the van because she's not feeling 100%. And yeah, it's easier that way. I can just head out and not have to worry about Basie. So I'm going to go and find a scooter and head off to one of our friend Selena's cafes in Berlin and go and do some work. Okay, so I found a scooter. Just heading over to it now. It's got lots of battery. The place that I'm going is about half an hour away, so I need to find one with plenty of battery and ideally a phone holder, which this one does. So, meet the steed. So this is Treptower Park, and this is where we always stay when we come to Berlin. It's a beautiful park to stay in. It's quite central and it's just on the outskirts of the lower emission zone, so if you're ever in Berlin, this is a great spot to stay in your van. So that was for sure one of the weirdest experiences I've ever had, dancing in a coffee shop. But my friend Selena wanted to show her colleagues what Lindy Hop is, so yeah, we just had a little dance. It was kind of suitable because my time spent in the coffee shop was working on some stuff for Jumping at the Seaside, which is our extended hobby, I would say, rather than a company. Oh man, it's such a nice place here. Really smells like Berlin. But yeah, we organise Lindy Hop events, so we've got 2 workshops a month, and we're just organising them from a distance, really. So if you want to learn Lindy Hop, then be sure to check out our Jumping at the Seaside Facebook page. We've got all the details on that. And when we get back to Brighton, we will be teaching beginner classes again, but yeah, obviously not at the moment. Just these one-off workshops, and we get guest teachers to come and teach for us. So yeah, it's really nice. I'm just walking aimlessly. I'm going to find a scooter and head back to the van, head back to Gab's. We've got our friends Jonas and Hayley coming over for dinner tonight to the van. That's why we had to do like a dash to get some LPG earlier on. But now that's done, I'm going to go home, we're going to have dinner with them and then go out dancing tonight again. So hopefully I can film in tonight's dance, because the other night I got told off for filming. I think it's a German thing because, yeah, they haven't even got Google Street View and stuff, so yeah, maybe it's a cultural thing and we've got to be respectful of that. So yeah, let's go. Oh man, the battery on the scooter is low. I'm so lucky. Look at that. It's in the red. I'm glad I got here before Jonas, I think. The van is just over there, somewhere over there. And I'm glad that I made it back in time before the battery died on the scooter, because I don't know what happens if the battery dies when you're riding it. I'm gonna log out of the scooter now because it's costing me money. Thank you, Steed. These scooters are bloody brilliant. I don't know why the UK has got such an attitude against them. It seems like every time you read a local newspaper, they're complaining about the scooters, the e-scooters, because the kids are going crazy. I mean, come on. Anyway, rant over. On the way back to the van, just crossing the road, keeping an eye out for Jonas. For some reason, this street is dead now. Super quiet. I'm not sure why. But yeah, it's got to be the quietest street in the whole of Berlin at the moment. Feels good to be back home. There's my wife. Hello, dear.
Hi.
Oh, hello, bud.
Hi, lovey.
Hi, dear.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing, Basie? Oh, hi, buddy. It's okay. I'm coming in. You look beautiful.
Oh, thanks, lovey. I put some like salsa music because it's so warm in here, so like gets you in the mood.
Oh, salsa. Oh, it's good to be home. I've only been away for like 2 hours, but like I said before, it's been like 2 hours apart for the first time in months.
But it's like, yeah, crazy because we're so used to spending like literally whole time together. Just like even like an hour or two. It's like, whoa,
yeah,
you've been out.
Okay, so I think Jonas is going to be here any minute now. Hopefully he can find us because he messaged about 10 minutes ago asking for the location again. But yeah, we'll see.
Someone missed someone there.
I was only gone for 2 hours, buddy. Oh,
Yes.
Oh, no love like a puppy's love.
Yes, you good little puppy.
Let's see if we can... Aha, I think I can see him. There he is, the man of the hour. Hello, buddy.
Yeah. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
You
Excited.
found us.
Nice spot.
Ah, yeah, it's not bad. Welcome to our home.
Yeah.
Welcome to our crib.
Place to walk the dog right outside
Exactly,
the
yeah.
house. What is that? It looks so good. It's really picturesque.
Picturesque.
It's a beautiful landscape.
Yeah, it's got beans and cheese and tomato and courgette and onions, and it's all melted in a pan.
And
then
we've
we've got
got
salad.
30-cent beer.
Yes.
And €2.50 wine. That we're
Cheers.
not used to from being Swedes or former Swedes.
Yeah.
Well,
Go! We've just made it to our dance tonight. Jonas is somewhere parking his scooter. You can only park scooters like in certain places in Berlin, which makes sense. You don't want places that shouldn't be busy. But yeah, we have just arrived to the venue for the dance. But I'm not really sure what this place is. Apparently it's called Belma and it's freaky. There's lots of crazy things everywhere. I don't really know where we're going.
yeah, Jonas has warned us. It's like, oh, it's going to be a little bit more rough.
Yeah.
And we're like, okay, cool.
But
But it's like Berlinish.
no idea where the dance is.
It's like a whole city of like crazy clubs, like graffiti and art and lights and like it's like complete nightlife. Wowzatron. We've been walking in circles trying to find this place, and I was just saying, map is completely not accurate. You need to know where you're going to be able to find this. And just now we can hear swing music, so I think we found it before we can even see the name or the club or the place. I think we found it. It's like the most hidden place name ever.
Crack Belma.
Wow, I would never, I still can't read it. Like, my eyesight is not made for this. It makes me feel
Who would have thought there'd be a fucking swing dance in this place? Wow. Oh, I can hear it now.
But that's the reason why I didn't find it, because the music is not really what we expected.
Well, we've just come out of the swing dance, and yeah, it was good fun. It was super surreal to come out of a swing dancing venue
Into a rave.
into like a rave, lawless anarchy district. At least it felt like that. There was like really
A lot of these like swing dance events are like in this like either vintage location, like venues with like really pretty, and this is like rough and a bit of a
the actual venue was
contrast.
beautiful. I really enjoyed the venue,
Yeah,
but
there lots of like wood
but
features.
and then stepping outside was yeah, very interesting but super nice. I guess that's
Yeah.
the amazing thing about Berlin, is you can get anything
Yeah.
here. Maybe that's a positive and negative thing, but
And also, like, it feels like anyone would fit in. Like, it doesn't matter what you like or what you're into. Like, you'll find someone who's like-minded or like people there similar to you. So it feels very kind of inclusive. Like, it doesn't matter who you are, what you look like. It's pretty cool.
we're gonna go and jump on a scooter now and head back home. Pretty tired. Well, when you leave the rave comes to you. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. What are you looking at, Basie? What are you looking at, bud? We are on the way out. We're going out again tonight. We've been chilling out during the day. I took Basie. I took Basie out for some walks, explored Treptower Park a little bit. It was very interesting to find out some history about it.
He like, Basie's got these super stinky treats and he wants them so much. He's like, guys, can you just leave already and give me my treats?
Because he only gets them when we go out. So, look, one's going up there, and then one's going to go there. Ooh, it's dark. It's not as dark as it was last night, but we're on the way out the door again to go and see.
We're going to see Jonas and some other friends from Gothenburg.
Yeah, so Victoria and her boyfriend, who we've never met before, we're going to go and visit them on some rooftop bar apparently.
Yeah.
So yeah, that sounds very Berlin. Looking forward to it. Found our steed.
We might need to. We might need to share it until we find the next one.
Could be fun.
We go back up the street.
Yeah. This is epic!
Maybe we should do all the way like this.
Maybe. Yeah, we could do. Shall we?
Be careful.
Okay.
Watch
Bump in the road. Ah! Where is it? Oh! This is exciting. So apparently we've arrived at the place, but we've got to go in some shopping centre and go up to the top of it or something. So yeah, let's go and find it. That was a fun scooter ride.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. I was so scared because I was like holding Sam and I just couldn't see it.
We're 2 for 1.
What? Oh,
Where are we? Oh, it's behind us. Is it 5? Oh, brilliant. Oh, thank you so much. People are so friendly in Berlin. Or maybe they just feel sorry for us. I don't know. I'm going to turn off the vlog as we go in because I'll probably get told off for filming.
Epic, I must say. I mean, never been to anything like this before. We're on top of this car park and we just walk through a shopping centre onto the rooftop. And yeah, this is a bit, yeah.
And there's an ominous man standing at the top of the slope.
What is he doing here?
Maybe he's going to check our ID or something.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I was
love
here
it.
last summer and I was like, I want to go here all the time.
cool place that was.
Very
That was
Berlin-esque.
Very Berlin-esque. We were just about to jump back in the elevator and go back down to the shopping centre and then head off to some social dance, I think. Oh man, that music was incredible in this place. It was absolutely the height, like probably the best live music we've seen, well, since Gentlemen Are Gangsters, really. But yeah, loved it. Great dancing. The floor was incredible. You probably can't see me at all now because it's really dark here, but yeah, it was just a really nice event. Giedra was super welcoming. Obviously, she's one of Gabi's first Lindy Hop teachers from back in Lithuania. But we've left because the band came up to me and were super shitty, and I wanted to record this now while my emotion is still fresh. And we've seen something, we've like experienced something in Berlin so vividly, is that people are paranoid about being on camera or something. I don't know what it is, but as I said before, there's no Google Street View here. I guess it's just the culture, like everyone pays in cash. It feels like everyone is a bit, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe you guys can help me explain it in the comments, but hence why you didn't hear their music. But anyway, we're back off to the van, go and see Basie and get one last little sleep in Berlin. Will's just given us a review on our most recent video.
Yeah.
Out of 10?
6.3.
6.3.
Oh.
Let us know in the comments what you think about that. I call that harsh. I'm not sure.
No, I'll take it back. Let me go again.
So out
Actually,
of
let
10?
me do that again.
Yeah. So Will's just recently watched our recent YouTube
Right,
video
right.
when we broke down in Sweden. And so how many points out of 10 would you give that, Will?
I'd say like a 9.9.
Not at,
Yeah.
it's not what you said just now.
I don't know how honest this review
Sorry,
is.
mate.
How do you feel about a camera being in your face? Will?
I feel really, really comfortable. It's like, it's so normal for me. I could do this all day.
And by the way, if you're wondering where the music came from in this video, it's all his.
Oh, really? Is
No-
it really gonna
no
be?
pressure to send it to me now.
All right. Okay, now there's a lot of pressure.
What do you think? Is that a good idea?
Yeah?
Okay.
Can't wait.
Let's do that. Oh, how refreshing to see Will and hang out with him. It was so nice. The perfect way to end our time in Berlin. I'm glad that we ended on this note and not like the bitter note of last night. But yeah, he took us to get some really nice food. It was Lebanese food. It was really good. It was just like, oh, perfect, proper nice filling food for this crappy weather. So yeah, gorgeous. So now we're off. Thank you very much, Berlin. We've enjoyed you very much this time, and I think it's sort of suitable that it's raining now. And
Berlin is crying as we're leaving. We're chasing the summer, we're heading further south now, and it's going to be super exciting to explore some countries that we've never ever been to.
But first, Czech Republic, which we have been to
That's true, we've been to Czech Republic, not so much, but
once or twice.
yeah.
See you in Prague.